Hey guys, right, guess what? We've got the caravan. This is the first time we're taking the caravan out. So, I've just set it all up. It's starting to get on dark. So, after 2.5 years, we've got the power on it. After 2.5 years, hang on, I'll zoom out for a bit. Alright, there you go, I zoomed out. So, after 2.5 years of restoring this thing, 75 pop top. Right. This is the first time we're going to take it out. So she's only a 13 footer, Viscount, 1975 model. And we're going to use the diesel territory. So anyway, I just want to go inside. Just go inside for a minute. I'm just going to show you the whole thing now. So that's it in there. I'm just going to turn this light on. You just light up here. So that's that one. So I'm going to hop in. Oh, it's a bit wonky. Oh. Right, so I've got 240 volts going. So I'll turn the lights on. There we go. So there we go. We've got the bedding in there. We've got the TV on there. We're not going to make that mistake. A couple of fans. So we're just going to bring some well, that's the radio remote. Just going to bring our clothes in here, so you can see I've strapped that off. I've done these straps. These are awesome, these things, little straps. Press it to release, and then you just pull them tight, and that's just going to stop everything from popping out. We've got all the food and that type of thing. So Nick's done all that. She's packed it all up nice. You can see there's heaps of food storage. So I've got the 240 volts running because we've got the fridge going. We've got to pack the fridge as well. It's nice and cold. And then I've got a torch charging right now because we've got 240 volts on. I've put water in there. We've got the water in. So it's on an angle, so it's actually full, but it's only showing a bit over half. So there you go. And we've got all lights and that working. So when we go, I've got the battery charged as well. Here you go. It's 100% charged. So there you go. So we just got to put, oh shit. Alright, we just got to put our clothes in here, the food in the fridge, a little bit of alcohol because we're going to need that. We've got 5 buckets of wood in the car. So this is the first time we've done a caravan, so this is a big deal for us. Oh, she's done that down there too, look at that. All the stuff down in there. I don't know what she's done. She's done a bloody good job packing it. So there's tea towels and bowls and wine glasses and mugs. I don't even know what's in here. And it's cooking stuff. There you go. I've got a Weber barbecue in the car as well. And there's our tea, her tea, coffee, I think. I don't know, something like that. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow morning on the road. Alright, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I've put the other car away and have a look at it. It looks good, doesn't it? This is our first day out. No one coming down. Have a look at that. Doesn't it look good? I think Nick's in the driving seat. Look at that. Oh, looks sexy. Let's see how we go. Look up and see Nick. She's in the driving seat. Are you ready for a camping?
Come on, honey, let's go.
I can hardly see you.
I'm here.
Okay. All right. Are you driving?
No.
Right here.
Let's go.
Bye. Hey guys, right, we're here at Aysons Reserve. So you can actually see there's a few caravans around. One over there. It's about 2 over there, 3 over there. You can see the really nice river. Let's go have a look at the river. Nick's making brekkie at the moment. She doesn't want to be disturbed. But so it's really nice along here. So you can see a bit of a river. You can go fishing if you want to go fishing. Bit of a rope there. So that's where we are. And that's our setup right there. So we've set it up and Nick's cooking the storm in there. So you can see there's a few caravans and stuff around over there. We'll go for a walk later. Anyway, that's our setup. So that's the original annex of the caravan. And because the fridge is cold, it's actually putting in 1.3 amps through the sun, even with that sun. So when it's full sun, it should put in 9 amps. So I'm pretty happy. We're off grid and we've got all the power we want. Alright, I'll show you brekkie once it comes out. Alright, I wonder if brekkie's ready yet. So, oh my god, there it is.
First breakfast cooked in
Look at that! This is awesome.
Look at you go, Daisy.
You're amazing. Daisy's amazing.
I know.
You cooked brekkie in the Daisy.
I did. I cooked breakfast
You've done
in the
a
Daisy.
good job.
Thank you. Let's
Look
go
at that.
eat. I'm
Okay,
hungry.
yep. And that's where we're sitting down, so we'll catch you a bit later.
Bye.
Alright, the wind died down. It was windy all day. So we finally got a fire. Going. So, and it's like 7 o'clock. And Nick's making a cuppa. Hello, Nick.
Hello.
Making a cuppa. Got the gas on, we're making a cuppa.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna sit down and have a cuppa and do you like our Nick's fairy lights she's put on there?
Yep. And we're going to sing Kumbaya.
We gotta hold hands and
Sing Kumbaya.
Yes.
We're entertaining the campgrounds. We've sent out invitations. It's
No.
going to be brilliant.
no, we're not. Anyway,
Oh.
so we're gonna have a cuppa and have a fire. Hey guys, right, we're having just a quick fire and a cuppa. Hey Nick.
Morning.
So it's really nice and sunny, no wind like yesterday. It was bloody windy yesterday. So that's our view there on Aysons Reserve. And you can see the river down there. There's a few caravans here. There's a lot of them way up the end, way up there. There's like, I don't know, 10 or 12 of them up there. Anyway, we're just having a quick cuppa. And we slept really well, didn't we? So there we go, that's the second day.
We did it, and the wheels didn't fall off.
No, the wheels didn't fall off.
How cold was the caravan? Was it heating up?
I'm not sure.
4.7.
4.7.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah. 4.7 in the caravan.
4.7.
Yeah. But it's warmer in the sun near the fire, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. We're still having our cuppa and our little fire going.
Yes, we are.
We're taking it easy, aren't we?
We are.
Yeah. And you can say, alright guys, we're off. See you later. This has been a great adventure.
If he leaves me here, his life is not worth living. I can tell you that right now.